Eyes are thought to have evolved at least 40 times independently, and there's a spectacular array of eye designs in the animal kingdom. Vision is the most important sense for many animals to observe and scan their surroundings. After constantly evolving for millions of years, the eyesight of many animals has become incredibly wide-ranging and intricate. What animal has the best eyesight day and night? Which animal has the widest range of vision? In this video, we're gonna discuss which animals have the best eyesight, best vision. The video is gonna be amazing, so make sure you stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Goats. Goats have some of the weirdest eyes among mammals, but they serve an essential purpose very effectively. This means they can see almost everything in their surroundings unless it's directly positioned behind them, making it very difficult for predators to sneak upon them. Goats are prime targets for many predators, particularly big cats. Goats and most other animals with hooves have horizontal slits, which are nearly rectangular when dilated. This gives goats vision covering 320 to 340 degrees. This means they can see virtually all around them without moving. Humans have vision covering 160 to 210 degrees. Consequently, animals with rectangular eyes can see better at night due to having larger pupils that can be closed more tightly during the day to restrict light. Number 9. Leaf-tailed gecko. Leaf-tailed geckos have pretty surreal-looking eyes. Their pupils are vertical and have a series of pinholes which widen at night, allowing these lizards to pick up as much light as possible. To give you an idea of the gecko's amazing night vision, let's just say that while cats and sharks can see 6 and 10 times better than humans, respectively, the leaf-tailed gecko and other nocturnal gecko species can see up to 350 times better than we can in dim light. Their eyes also have many more light-sensitive cells than human eyes, giving the animal the ability to detect objects and even to see colors at night. Leaf-tailed geckos also have a series of strange, intricate eye patterns which provide camouflage. These lizards lack eyelids, a transparent membrane protect their eyes, and geckos are often seen cleaning this membrane with their tongue. Number 8. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp have compound eyes mounted on stalks which can move independently. Their eyes are divided into 3 segments so that it has a trinocular vision with each of their eyes. Humans, on the other hand, only have binocular vision thanks to our 2 precious eyes. These little weirdos, who are neither aquatic mantises nor shrimp, have possibly the most complex and undecipherable eyesight in the world. Mantis shrimp see the world in 12 color bands as opposed to a paltry 3 in humans. They can also see circularly polarized light, which is the equivalent of putting on 3D glasses all the time. Why these crustaceans have these abilities and how exactly are they employed is still a matter of mystery and conjecture. Number 7. Butterfly. Similar to most other adult insects, the butterfly also has a pair of spherical compound eyes, each comprised of hundreds of hexagon lenses. Omatidia, individual light receptors adorned with their very own microscopic lenses. This helps the butterfly gain a mosaic view of the surrounding scenery. Moreover, the butterfly can catch the UV light, which is invisible to mankind, and this could, in turn, direct the creature to those flowers full of honey. Number 6. Tarsier. The tarsier is a small, about squirrel-sized nocturnal primate found in the rainforests of southeastern Asia. If your eyes were proportionally as big as those of the tarsier, they would be the size of grapefruits. These enormous eyes are fixed in the skull and can't turn in their sockets. To compensate for this, the tarsier has a very flexible neck and can rotate its head 180 degrees, just like an owl, to scan for potential prey or predators. It's the only fully predatory primate in the world, feeding on lizards and insects, and is even known to catch birds in mid-flight. However, its most remarkable feature is its enormous eyes, the largest of any mammal relative to body size. With each eye weighing more than its brain, the tarsier has extremely acute eyesight and superb night vision. It has even been suggested that they may be able to see ultraviolet light. Number 5. Ogre-faced spider. The ogre-faced spider has 6 eyes, but it looks as if it only had 2 because of the middle pair is greatly enlarged. This is an adaptation for a nocturnal lifestyle. Ogre-faced spiders have superb night vision not only because of their huge eyes, but also because of an extremely light-sensitive layer of cells covering them. Ogre-faced spiders are unusual because they can see perfectly at night, even though they lack a tapetum lucidum, a reflective membrane that helps other spiders and other predators such as cats see in low-light conditions. As a matter of fact, scientists believe that ogre-faced spiders have better night vision than cats, sharks, or even owls, which can see up to 100 times better than humans at night. Number 4. Spookfish. Spookfish are found worldwide but are rare to see since they spend most of their lives at a depth of 1,000 to 2,000 meters. The spookfish is a deep-water, ghostly-looking fish with some of the most bizarre eye structures known to science. Each eye has a lateral swelling called a diverticulum separated from the main eye by a septum. While the main part of the eye has a lens and functions similarly to other animal eyes, the diverticulum has a curved composite mirror composed of many layers of what seems to be guanine crystals. This mirror is far superior at gathering light than the normal eye, as the diverticulum reflects light and focuses it on to the retina, allowing the fish to see both up and down at the same time. The spookfish is the only vertebrate known to use a mirror eye structure and the usual lens to see. They feed on small crustaceans and plankton and measure about 18 centimeters in length. Number 3. Owls. In the animal kingdom, owls have one of the largest eyes relative to total body size and are among the very few nocturnal animals who don't use echolocation or reflecting membranes behind their eyes, known as the tapetum lucidum. Here, owls have been considered as a single class since the difference in eyesight between species, if at all, might be negligible and may have been due to adaptation and evolution. They rely on their large eyes, which are actually larger than their brains, to let in as much light as possible. The eyes aren't that powerful though, and the excellent visual navigation is actually done thanks to a section in their brains that can identify the tiniest detail in a relatively blurry but bright picture. Number 2. Chameleon. Chameleons are famous for their ability to change color, which helps them communicate and express their intentions or mood to other chameleons. Only a few species use color changing as camouflage. Chameleons have very sharp eyesight, being able to see an insect several meters away, and just like the tarsier, they can see ultraviolet light. These lizards have very unusual eyes. Their eyelids are fused and cover almost the entire eyeball, except for a small hole to let the pupil see through. Each eye can be moved independently from the other so that the chameleon can scan for prey and potential threats at the same time. This also means that the chameleon has a full 360-degree field of vision. When the chameleon sees a potential prey, usually an insect, although the largest species are known to devour mice and other small vertebrates, it focuses both eyes in the same direction, gaining stereoscopic vision, very important if we consider that the chameleon captures prey by shooting out its tongue at high speed, a technique that requires a very precise distance and depth perception. Number 1. Dragonflies. Dragonflies. They're the expert insect predators and are among the fastest insects in the world. That's right, the fastest insects in the world. Their eyes are, quite possibly, the most amazing ones found on insects. A dragonfly's eyes are large enough for them to see in all directions at the same time, as well as to detect the polarization of light and see ultraviolet colors not visible to humans. While the compound eyes are pretty effective on their own, the ocelli help dragonflies to detect and react to motion much faster than humans. This has led to the belief that flies see in slow motion, which can be said is true, though not entirely accurate. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video on this channel right here for you guys. So stay tuned and enjoy.